こんにちは。元気ですか? How are you doing? In a previous video, we learned some basic Japanese phrases. But today, we're going to explore a new grammar point. Today's grammar is がいる and がある. There is, there are, or I have.So these expressions can be used to talk about the existence and also to express that you have something. Alright, let's get started. がいる and がある both mean the same thing, but they are used for different types of things. がいる is used for living things.like people or animals. がある is used for non-living things or abstract concepts, like objects or time. Let's look at some examples. I'm gonna use ます form. 犬がいます。友達がいます。本があります。時間があります。Even if something is a living creature, if it's no longer alive, you have to use ある instead of いる。For example, you say 魚がいます。But you say 寿司があります。This grammar is often used with location words in this pattern. Blah blah に blah blah がある or いる。It's a common way to say that something or someone exists in a specific place, like there is a book on the table. In Japanese, this sentence would be 机の上に本があります。Here are some common location words. の上の下の隣の近くの中の前との間。Let's look at some examples. テーブルの下に猫がいます。冷蔵庫の中にジュースがあります。駅とコンビニの間にカフェがあります。Note that these patterns are used for sentences like there is, there are, or I have, not for sentences like my friend is in Tokyo, or my cat was in my grandma's house. Those use a different structure in Japanese. They are like 友達は東京にいます。私の猫はおばあちゃんの家にいました。がいる and がある are used to express whether something or someone exists. But when you want to describe where someone is, you use this pattern. ブラブラはブラブラにいる。You simply say は not が。As I explained in the video about difference between は and が, using が puts emphasis on the subject. So if you say 母が東京にいます, it carries the nuance of it's my mom who is in Tokyo. As if you are emphasizing that she specifically is the one there. This is not used very often, so you don't need to memorize sentences like this right now. Focus on the more common patterns first. As you get more comfortable with Japanese, you'll naturally start to notice these subtle differences. Now it's practice time. How do you say this in Japanese? 机の下に猫がいます。How about this? 図書館の隣に公園があります。How about this? 時間がありますか？ Last. 明日テストがあります。Excellent! Today we learned how to use がいる and がある. Try using the location words to describe where different things are. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye!